my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign. Today I'm going to be doing a jumbo flexi rod set on wet hair. I've done a jumbo flexi rod set on stretched hair. If y'all want to see that, I'll have the video linked up there because that turned out really cute. But this time I'm going back to my roots and doing a flexi rod set. Y'all might be like, girl, now your roots is a wash and go. Give me a second. Let me explain. When I was transitioning, me and flexi rod sets could not be separated, okay? Because it was the only way, or it was one of the ways that I knew would make my hair, my curl pattern consistent all the way throughout. Now, since I've discovered the wash and go, or not discovered the wash and go, but since my hair has, you know, grown out and since it's gotten healthy, I do wash and goes. But back then it wasn't a choice because my curl pattern was all over the place. Now, basically, I'm gonna see if I still got it because I used to lay and slay a flexi rod set. I'm a little nervous though. They say if you don't use it, you lose it, and I haven't used it in a long time, and I got a lot more hair than I had the last time I tried this. But let's not talk about the reasons this won't work. Let's talk about the reasons why it could work, and I'm gonna be popping. Let's hope I'm popping. I really hope I'm popping. Okay. So I went ahead and I already applied a leave-in just so we could eliminate a step. So I went ahead and I used the Goddess Strength leave-in. All the products will be linked down below as always. Y'all, I really like that leave-in. I don't know how many times, I don't know how many videos at this point I've been using that leave-in, but I'm definitely a fan. I already put that in my hair. Hair looking good. Hair looking good like it should. Wow, I am so rusty. I don't even know where to begin. This is so awkward. I mean, I know where to begin, but I feel out of my element. This ain't a wash and go. Okay, so I'm gonna section my hair. Remember, I already have leave-in applied. I wonder if, since I'm doing jumbo flexi rods, will it take me less time? Will the jumbo flexi rods cover more hair? Is that a thing? If not, can we make it a thing? I'm just trying to like get a back section. It doesn't have to be like a perfect part, and knowing me, mine won't be. So I've sectioned my hair. I'm just guesstimating right now. I'm just hoping that the flexi rod will be able to handle this amount of hair, and I'm gonna do it in sections. You know, like, I think it should be able to do that. In my mind, we're gonna find out today though. This is where we're really doing a test run. So I already have the leave-in in. I'm just going in with more water. I'm gonna take my dimming brush, and you want to make sure you're getting your hair thoroughly detangled or your flexi rod set gonna be trash. You heard it here first. This step is not optional. I mean, you don't have to use this brush necessarily, but your hair needs to be detangled. Now I'm going to be using the texture setting cream gel. This bad boy right here. Just gonna take some and rub it throughout. Okay, brush again. Add some more water. Now, the next thing I'm gonna be using is this mousse. In my opinion, mousse helps your hair dry faster, and it can also give you some shine. So I'm just gonna do that. I've never used this mousse before, so we about to see today. Now I'm gonna take my jumbo flexi rod. This look huge, cause it is. Okay. So we're wrapping the ends. If the ends are not wrapped nicely, you could just kiss that bomb flexi rod set goodbye, because it's not gonna work. You could just abandon all hope. And now I'm just gonna roll. These are so chunky. Chunky. Okay, so now I'm just gonna continue the same process. But you see, I wasn't able to wrap my hair that many times because the flexi rod is so big, but I'm hoping it gives me like a bigger curl. So I've decided for this small section right here, what the flexi rod couldn't grab, I'm gonna use a perm rod and just wrap it because I kind of want to keep my curl pattern consistent. So, I'm not being too much of a perfectionist about it because people probably not even really gonna see that part. So I applied the product. Now, you need to make sure you use a brush. I use the dimming brush, but you need to make sure you use a brush to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled. That is the only way it's gonna come out smooth. And then you wanna make sure your ends are tucked and smooth. and then you wrap up the length of your hair. I kind of do it on a diagonal because that's where I get the most pull. You're probably like, girl, why are you trying to pull your hair? It's not that I'm trying to pull my hair. Honestly, this needs to be a little tighter. It's not that I'm trying to pull my hair, but it's like the tension allows it to take the shape, if that makes sense. And then I just fold the top of it. And then if you want, you can just go around in the same direction that you twisted it to make sure everything is good to go. I'm like 7 flexi rods in. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see it. I still have so many to go, but I did want to show you guys my progress. I know this looks crazy, but I have 11 in my head so far, and I'm actually gonna go in with these slightly smaller rods because I ran out of these and my bangs are shorter, so I figured that should work out just fine. But I'm gonna go in with these, and like I said, I'm not taking any specific parting, but this looks like a good section. And I'm gonna do the same thing just with a smaller rod. Add water. I wonder how it's gonna be sitting under the dryer with all of these freaking rods in my head. Will I even fit under the dryer is the real question. Really might have just played myself. I thought the battle was just putting the rods in. No, it's not. We're gonna take the gel, and then we're gonna take the mousse, and then I'm gonna brush through it again. Should make your curls nice and popping, you feel me? Just looky there. Then I'm gonna take the rod. Now you see the parts that don't really want to behave because they're smaller. I might just have to put a perm rod on that if it don't want to fit. Okay. Now we're wrapping, and you want to make sure that the hair is tucked. You don't just want it any type of way. Okay, and we roll. Boom, shakalaka. And I'm gonna just repeat this, and I'm gonna come back when he's done. Okay, I know I look crazy. What's new? But I have 18 flexi rods in my hair in total, and it is all wrapped up. So I'm gonna try to sit under the dryer, and if that doesn't work, then I'm just gonna let these just air dry. But one thing I'm not gonna do is sleep on this. I refuse. I will do everything in my power to not have to sleep on this. So I'm gonna turn around, show you guys. Okay, this is what I'm looking like. When they are dry, I'm gonna come back and do the takedown process with you guys. Hopefully it turns out cute. I'm always very, very hopeful. I think I got it. I think I still got it. Comment down below, let me know if y'all think that this is gonna turn out cute, because I really hope so. Okay, so I sat under the dryer, and now we really just have to hope that it is dry. Like, I'm literally tired of having these in my head. So I'm gonna start off easy. Start off with these bad boys, which I know are dry. I only put 2 in my head, and you can't even really see them. Ugh. All of these flexi rods. I can't even imagine going to sleep in these bad boys. Okay. As long as the ends are nice and dry, I'm kind of just gonna let it, I'm gonna sit under the dryer again without the rods, but my hair is set at the ends, which is what should matter. Y'all, I just had enough of having these rods in my head. So this is what I'm looking like with all the rods gone, right? This one, clearly, I could have did better on this one, but it is what it is. You gotta chalk it up to the game and keep it pushing. I'm gonna just start, you know, unraveling them and trying to make it look cute, and we're gonna see what it do. So I usually take this down with some oil, so I'm gonna be using this oil. Remember, everything will be linked down below. I'm just gonna rub it on my hands and begin the takedown process. Now, you wanna separate your hair where it naturally wants to separate. Should come easy, and you just separate it as much as you want to for as much volume as you're looking for. This is where I started separating. This has no separation. Okay, started Boom. Y'all know I'm gonna pick it out and everything like that. So I'm gonna finish separating this side, and then I'm going to come back when my hair is looking a certain type of way. I hope I can get volume, you know, on the first day. Okay, you guys, I'm back and these are my results. Your girl still got it. Like, I'm feeling some type of way in a good way. Like, I still have it. It turned out big and voluminous. This is so cute. Like, this is so cute. I like it. Will I do this more than wash and goes? No, because it's more work, but it turned out super cute. And if I had a reason or I just wanted to switch it up, I would definitely do this. My hair turned out so soft, very shiny, but y'all, like when I say it's touchably soft, but it's got a good hold on it, I decided to do a deep part just because that's what I was feeling, you know, but you don't have to, you can play with it. But this is cute. Yes, yes. And I did this with only 18 flexi rods, so feeling accomplished over here. Ooh, I wasn't sure if I still had it, but if I needed proof, well, here it is. This is cute. Okay, all right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.